This video clip is all about being a male massage therapist. I myself have been a massage therapist since 1997, and before that I worked in group homes with the mentally ill, mentally disabled, chemically dependent, all those different areas. So again, like almost 12 years now I've been a massage therapist, and the hardest place for me, being a massage therapist, and male of course, was working in a salon. Um, what they what would happen is a lot of times people would call up, they'd say, I'd like a massage appointment, and then the receptionist would say, your appointment will be with Ryan, and then they'll say, no, I do not want a male, I want a female. So that cut into my wages a lot. So it was hard. It just took a little while to build up some regular clientele. So that's the problem with male massage therapists. It just takes a little bit longer. And if you do stay in it for quite a while, you will be very successful. Physically, male massage therapists tend to be a little bit stronger, but the problem with that is males tend to use their upper body strength more, and that's when you can lead into actual physical problems like aches, pains, you name it, and stuff, and overuse syndromes, those kind of things. So women, especially smaller women, thinner women, they actually perform deeper work usually with their bony elbows. So as long as they can guide it and realize how much pressure they're using, they're going to be a great asset that way then. And also, being a male instructor, excuse me, I think is a very good choice for me, just because it's non-gender bias basically. So a lot of instructors are actual males. A lot of people that invent massage styles are males. A lot of males tend to go into like the chiropractic area or hospital settings, or just because it's a little bit more gender biased too. Um, and another option, health clubs. That's a big area to get into, but salons, it's again, it's a lot harder to get into those, but it all depends on what part of the country. So possibly like California, Florida might be a little bit easier, but in Midwest it's a lot more conservative, so it's a little bit harder to get employment and keep regular clientele. I've even talked with employers and in the past, and they refuse to hire male therapists because they know they can't keep them busy. So again, that's going to be really hard to handle, and you almost think that it's sexual discrimination, but technically, if you want to look at it, it's not, and I'm not siding with them really, but again, you're not going to be busy in certain areas, so it might not be a good idea to get involved, get a job in salons and those types of places. But private practices, you might do okay, but again, keep a part-time job to start with. And what some studies say is like 15% male, some say it's 20% male therapists, and I've even seen up to 25% male therapists, but I think it's pretty low for the male therapist. And I myself, for teaching, let's say I have 25 students, I might have one, maybe two male massage students, so it's a very low ratio is what I'm actually seeing out in the community then. But usually the male therapists that get into it tend to stay in the field a little bit longer, and they don't get hit on by women, of course, and the only problem is sometimes they get hit on by other guys, so they have to accept that and come to terms and accept those kind of things. And what I've noticed in the past is some of my students that are gay actually do better than females in the salon setting. So once a client knows that the person is gay, they tend to even go with a gay male massage therapist instead of a female massage therapist. So that's actually a better area for the gay male to get into those areas then. But again, that's just my perception of what I've seen, so please prove me wrong. That's all I do. That's what I'd like you to do, is prove me wrong in these different areas. But again, male massage therapy, there's not a lot of us out there, but it is a really rewarding career, and if I had a chance to do it over again, I would probably focus myself in teaching very soon once I got out of school, or getting into the areas like again like the chiropractic or hospital settings instead of my first massage job was working in a salon, so it was pretty depressing. And that 6 months I was working in that salon. And any other kind of stories males have, please leave in the comments below then, and so we can help out other males. And so even for the female massage therapist to understand what we're going to, so we get judged on our gender. That females have been dealing with that for years, decades, centuries, and stuff. But males are the minority definitely in this kind of field. So just like a male nurse, it's starting to be a lot more accepted. But back in the day, oh well, you're gay if you're a male nurse and stuff. But I know many male nurses that are not gay. They're straight. They're actually doing better than some female nurses and stuff.